Bumi udah dateng. Bentar, Bumi. Ih, udah dateng dua-duanya. Asik. Udah dateng, Bumi dan Banyu. Hore, hore. Hello. Kemon kita. Lanjut.
Oke,
Oke. Bumi animation lanjut. Banyu gimana? Oh, Banyu udah share screen juga nih. Oke. Kak Cika mau mensupport
hmm,
pokoknya. Let's go. Oh, lagi loading. Oke, sip.
oke.
Oke. Sip, sip, sip. Oke, oke. Mending Kak Cika juga tambah video ya. Mau ini Banyu. Bumi juga ya, Rob. Studio. Oke. Mm, mm, mm. Dari mana? Loh, kok dia suruh login lagi sih? Saya kecilnya lupa. Quick sign in bisa nggak? Gimana? Yes. Video aku nggak bisa login nih, Bumi. Gimana dong? Kabar ya. Ini bermasalah dengan login deh. Coba ngintip dulu. Tuh kan yang satu juga loading, Mbak. Bumi, Bumi udah masuk lagi animation. Banyak masih loading. Kak Cika kagak bisa login lagi, mah lupa password. Hmm, Baru lo. Udah gini, gini, gini. Kalau nggak salah gini ya. Terus forgot password aja lah udah. Hmm, Eh, nah ini. Next. Oke, buka email. Password reset request. Oke. Sini. Nah, pakai passkey aja. Oke. Roblox. Oke. Login. Lihat. Yes. Oke, bisa masuk. Aman, berarti sekarang kita masuk ini. Nah, oh, Bumi lanjut yang itu ya, yang kemarin. Bumi mau ditambahin apa? Let me know ya.
Hmm,
Coba.
hmm, hmm.
Oh iya, Bumi lagi itu, Bumi lagi bikin animation yang Kak Cika bilang ya, jangan NPC-nya satu aja nggak usah banyak, tapi di save dulu itunya kode-kode animationnya.
Iya,
Jangan lupa. Oke,
masih
sip.
dalam progres itu.
Oke, sip. Sayang banget udah bikin tuh hilang. Sip. Udah, tolong ya, saya mau login ini gimana? Lama sekali dia.
Hmm,
Oke, oke, start puzzle. Hah? Gimana? Oke. Ah, C25. Oke. R1. R1. Oke, submit. O1. Ih, salah. Senyum. Yeay. Berhasil login. Ignore. Berarti apa lagi nih? Nah, kan ini udah mulai. Ini. Wow, hujan. Liatin dulu. Yang profesor. Oh, Bumi tuh pakai yang laser tag ya. Apa FPS system sih? Bumi tuh yang FPS system ya? Atau yang laser tag sih? PS deh kayaknya. Platform FPS. Oh. Hmm. Wih, platformer bagus juga ya. Ini juga nih. Mari kita lihat. Wow, ini apa? Lah, udah menang aja Bumi Penguins katanya dia. Udah dikasih musuh tuh. Ya apa sih gamenya? Ketika lagi nyobain yang ini Bumi. Bentar. Yang platformer tuh berarti gimana sih? Kayak Mario gitu ya. Coba cek dulu. Nah, yang platformer lucu juga loh. Kayaknya harus loncat-loncat. Semacam obikah? Apa gimana ya? Gue nggak bener loncatnya. Terus kemana habis gitu? Nggak ngerti harus gimana ini. Ke sini. Oh, ke sini ngambil. Ah, oh, ngumpulin koin. Seru juga nih. Kita bikin gini gitu ya. Adventure gitu. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm. Terus naik kemana? Dashroll? Ngapain dashroll? Oh, sabtu, 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 sabtu. Kita lihat ada apa aja. Gameplay. Coin pick up moving platform, one way platform. Level art. Oke, the lighting, material surface, replicated storage, server to service. Udah banyak banget. Starter GUI, starter character link. Gameplay apa? Script. Coin script. Hmm. Oh iya benar. Lupa, lupa, lupa. Hmm. Eh, Belum, belum lagi nge-save. Good. Aja gimana? Banyu aman gak Banyu? Juga lagi liatin koin nih. Hmm. Moving platform koin return satu income. Hmm. Hmm. Oh iya benar.
Miss,
Yes, gimana Banyu?
ini
Bumi.
kok yang 0 koma lainnya itu hilang?
Hah? Iya, iya, klik kanan coba di. Oh, karena itu terlalu, terlalu, coba, coba, coba. Coba pinjam, 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 pinjam. Kenapa ya bisa hilang ya? Coba kalau di klik kanan bisa nggak ya? Pinjam coba. Sampai misalnya sampai dua gitu muncul nggak? Oh nggak, Oh, iya, soalnya cuma satu sih Banyu ya. Jadi fractionnya tuh dia nol. Coba ya kalau timeline ini kan lengthnya nih sampai misalnya Kak Cika mau sampai 5 detik gitu ya. Kan dia timelinenya tuh jadi 5 gitu. Nah, kayak gini.
Sebentar,
Jadi,
Miss.
jadi ini tuh geraknya tuh fractionnya, frame-nya per 1 detik. Nggak tahu kenapa. Jadi bukan per
Iya,
0,1. Mungkin ke drag atau apa gitu. Jadi tadi itu kecil karena emang range-nya dari 0 sampai 1. Biasanya Bumi gimana? Per berapa? Per berapa sih harusnya? Tunggu,
tinggi.
tunggu. Yang di Kak berapa sih animationnya? Lu Kak coba, perlu coba new ya. Nah, itu
Iya, itu yang satunya yang ini. Oh,
kenapa
kok
ya
udah
itu bisa berubah gitu?
lah kok
Iya, Mak. Kenapa?
ada dah. Oke, kasih Miss.
Dia defaultnya berarti gini kan? Ya, defaultnya emang kayak gitu. Ya, ini ya. Coba kita close dulu. Ini apa? Nah, misalnya kan animation berarti di toolbox. And, oh ini model. Misalnya yang part hmm, avatar dong. Avatar, kita setting karakter. Nah ini Oke. My avatar. Oh, klik terus ini. Nah ini. Nah, nggak usah. Nah ini digeser. Oke. Hmm, eh, ah, ini kliknya. Oke. Oh, di add dulu. Add all body. Ah, gitu. Ini. Nah, ih bagus animation. Hmm. Ini gimana baju? Ah, banyak muncul lagi dia. Oh, Oh, coba ya kita tes ini. Wih, 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 rame. Ah, menang terus ini mah Bumi mah jagoan. Baju mah jagoan menang terus harus dikasih player lain ini mah. Gawat ini gawat. Taruh, taruh. Ini tuh apa lagi? Bentar, banyak bumi kecil kebuka pintu bentar ya. I'm back. Oke. Aman, aman, aman. Ini, Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima, enam. Udah enam loh. Animasinya udah enam. Oke, save. Jangan lupa nomor asetnya.
Miss, saya kamar mandi dulu boleh kah?
Kenapa? Banyu?
Saya kamar mandi dulu.
Boleh. Jika tunggu ya, kasih tahu kalau udah ya. Ya hujan, hujan. Ke kamar mandi. Mm, mm, mm.
Nggak jadi lah.
Udah, balik lagi? Oke. Oh, ada gini. Oh. Hah? Wih, bagus. Keren ya Bumi. Ini baru lagi ya, belum dikasih nama. Bagus tahu. Nah, coba di play lagi. Wih, 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 wih. Bagus. Cari ide dulu. Untuk bentar. Cari ide dulu. Apa dong ya? Hmm. Oke. Eh, ini ide dulu. Oke. Jadi tutorial dulu.
With just a computer, access to the internet, and some scripting, you can truly create your own front page game. Learning to script isn't too hard, and if I could go back in time, this just as little as a month. So whether you're differently when it comes to solving problems, we approach our lives and problems, and there's always a solution. Adopt a coding mindset. For every problem, annoyance, or task, even outside of the script editor and Roblox Studio, as someone who wants to learn how to script, search for a fix. The thing that keeps me moving is the puppy something. I don't even know that I could go back in time. I've done something easy first and then move first, use that to branch into remote event or now that you have knowledge of front end, local scripts and UI and back end, like saving data, come up with me. It can be anything you want. I would personally now do an obby that saves your stages and spawns you at the stage you left at for my first personal project. Your developer environment. Your dev environment is one of the most important things you should be taking care of. Roblox Studio really limits us, and you don't want to get into Rojo and Visual Studio Code at this point. So I recommend taking 5 to 10 minutes and customizing Roblox Studio to your liking. Remember, you don't have to copy me, and you can use whatever works best for you. Congrats! Remember, coding is problem solving. Typing is the easy part. By this point, I can guarantee you'll be able to script by the end of this video. This guide covers all the
Wih, sejam.
you tool to
Kita
change
lihat
the
rame
part
nggak ya?
size. If you actually let us know that the script made it to this line, 2 is not equal to 2. There should be one thing they all have in common is the player that they're inside the player. And then if there's a as you saw previously. Now, I do want to show you guys something. If we open Workspace and go to folder of parts, you'll see everything getting named. However, if I were to create a model or anything really, and I name it end part, it's not going to end this code. As you can see, the parts are still being named. And that's because I made the change on my player. If I were to switch over to the server and then create something called end part, as you can see, it printed outside of loop because it broke out of the loop. However, switching back to the client, let's go over why this happened. If I make any changes on the client, say I'm an exploiter and I get access to the Explorer using Dex, what I could do is actually change anything in the Explorer. That's why when exploiters go into a game, they're able to delete walls and all that, but you won't see it on your screen. As you can see, I'm in the game on 2 different accounts. This account is right here, it's called Player 2, and this account is right here, it's called Player 1. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go to Player 1, I'm going to pretend I'm an exploiter, so I'm going to get access to the Explorer, I'm going to open up the workspace, and I'm going to delete the blue part. As you can see, it's gone on my screen. However, it's not gone on this player's screen. Let me show you guys. In Explorer, the blue part is still there. So if you're wondering why this happened, it all kind of goes back to local scripts. If you remember in the beginning, I told you guys to make sure you're inserting normal scripts and not local scripts or module scripts. And that's because local scripts run for the player. I mean, that script is run for each player individually. Each of those players can have anything in that script, and other players in the game will not see those changes. However, if I were to switch over to the server and delete the green part, I'm on the server, and when I delete the green part, you can see the green part is gone on both players. And this happens because that is a server. That's a server script and it runs for the entire server. That was a really basic explanation. And if you don't understand, I highly recommend the video I have linked in the description. It'll teach you everything you need to know. The final thing I want to go over with you guys is this right here: size, position, and orientation. One thing you guys can notice about these numbers is that they're not normal numbers like transparency or reflectiveness. As you can see in a script, if I were to try to change a position like this, it's not going to work. It thinks we're assigning 3 values to 1 variable. Just like instance.new and brickcolor.new, there's something called vector, and vector is basically the group of 3 numbers that we're looking at here. To get a vector, we write vector3.new, and then we can put our 3 numbers. As you can see, it says number x, number y, and number z. If you go to view right now and you turn on the view selector, you can actually see the x, y, and z. Increasing the x value sends parts more this way, increasing the z value sends parts more that way, and the y value is up. If you played Minecraft a lot with coordinates on, you'll probably already be a lot more knowledgeable about the system. It'll be a lot easier for you. Similarly to the position, I can also set the size and orientation. Just like that, I set the size and position to a vector3 value. Let's go ahead and run the game and see what it looks like. There's the blue part right there. In the properties, we can see the size and the position we set. Because of the weird way Roblox rounds, it's not 3, but don't worry, it's pretty much 3. Pay attention to the part. Let's see if we can notice the difference between this number and 3. It moved about 1 or 2 pixels on my screen. However, that will never be noticeable and probably will never affect your game. Let's say I just want to change the x and the z of the size, and I want to keep the y the same. But what if I don't know what the y is going to be at this time in the game? One simple thing you can do is write size.x. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. As you can see, I wrote bluepart.size.y. The other 2 numbers, the x and the Z working and you can call yourself an intermediate. However, it's going to take a lot of practice to become advanced. I recommend doing commissions to build experience. Thank you so
Oh,
much
ini
for watching this
bagus.
video. If you forgot to, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Ini bagus. Coba yang ini.
Introducing ClickUp Super Agents, the world's first AI agents that natively collaborate.
Young little Newbert doesn't know anything on day one and probably doesn't have Blocks Studio. Now,
Siri's dictation was driving me crazy, so I switched to Whisperflow. Here's why I'll never go back.
this is the software we're going to others so that we're able to move around different purposes that you will need to learn how to use. We can just pick whichever color we want. So, and that is basically how you use the rotate part. Now, once again, I want to deselect itself with Roblox Studio. And once you are done with this learning
Wow,
objective,
ini
I want you
bagus.
to go down to the comments of this video and describe
kita
what
catat.
you did for this learning objective so that other people who watch this tutorial can see what other people have been doing. And I think it would just be a really great way to show what everybody else is doing for these challenges. Now, before we end off this video, there's one final thing I forgot to mention, and that is the importance of saving your work so that you don't lose your progress. So what we can do is go on the top left here in File, and we're going to click.
Kita bisa pakai itu buat latihan. Tinggal cek dulu nih. Wah, ini mau bikin apa? Coba yang ini sekarang.
This isn't just any chat, it's ClickUp chat. Sure, you can tag your team, ask questions, and
How do you learn Roblox scripting in 2021? We're like, hey, pretty made for you ever have a specific question answered or fall behind. It's that simple because everybody else is going to use it and they will not feel any shame for lapping you in development or whatever domain by using it and what you aren't. So most of you dislike it.
Ini bagus nih. Belum. lagi. Hmm. Oh, playlistnya coba kita lihat.
Welcome back to my Roblox beginner scripting tutorial series. My name is Braldev, and this is the final episode of our beginner scripting tutorial guide. And if you've made it this far into the series, then huge respects to you, because I think a lot of people would have left by like the second or third episode. So the fact that you made it this far means that you're really interested in, if we're able to confirm all these things, then we can, so we're going to say game.players. Delete this and then say plus equals 1. So it takes whatever the value this is and it adds 1 to it just by using this simple compound operator, just like so. So once we add the value to this, what we can down here, so we're going to duplicate it and then move it up here. So we're going to move it up here just like this, so that we have a button to press for the next gate. And I'm also going to rename this to stage 2 just like so. And that is how you add more stages to this obstacle course that we just created. So if we go into the game and we press the button, then we should be able to go into the next stage. And if we press this button, then it's going to open up the next game that we're trying to look at. And so this is our final product. We can also duplicate this coin by moving it this way. We can even duplicate it again by moving it up here. And we can finally do it one more time just by moving it down here. And now we have a final game. If you were able to recreate this game while following along with the tutorial guide, then you should be proud of yourself. Like you were able to create your first game on Roblox with everything that you were able to learn from this entire tutorial guide. And this is definitely going to help you for when you go to the advanced scripting tutorial guide and even the GUI tutorial guide as well. And this is a long journey. Like I said, becoming a Roblox game developer is not easy. And if you're able to make your first game just by following this tutorial guide, then you're definitely ready for whatever else that there is going to be for you with the future episodes that you're going to be watching with the advanced scripting tutorial guide and also the GUI tutorial. So that is basically the entire beginner scripting tutorial guide. If you found this to be extremely helpful, then leaving a like on this video and also making a comment on like everything that you were able to do inside of this tutorial guide would definitely be very helpful. And I would love to see what you have to say about the tutorial guide. If there's anyone who you know would like to
Nice. Iya. Apa? Itu kan ada bayam. Bayam dari catering. Dikasih sedotan aja di mangkok. Ya, tadi biasanya dia makan pakai sedotan sama sendok. Ih, tambah banyak animationnya. Buat belum. Gak ada pisang. Tadi kan ditinggal di rumah sakit. Nih, nih. Ntar share ke Banyu deh, ini bagus tar ya. Banyak ininya. Hold on. Oh, drive ya. Playlist ya. Sini. Ke Banyu ya. Ini buat nanti kita latihan. Oke. Kok beda ya playlistnya? Apa gini sih? Link coba. Oke, kita subscribe. Nah, ini bagus.
Hey, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the first episode of my Roblox Advanced
Wih,
Scripting
panjang banget.
tutorial series. And if you haven't checked out my paper client model, because you test up here and then hit play, whenever you see an output down here where color is highlighted to be blue, touched, colon, connect, open parentheses, function, brick color dot new, and then in parentheses right here, we will put in some quotes and say really red. So now let's go back into the game and hit play so that we can see our expected result that has come about with our script. So here we are. And once we step on this plate, then it should change the color to red. So as you can see, the color has now changed to red. But if we change our clients to the server, we can still see that the color is yellow because we created a local script that can only show what happens with this execution when this specific player touches this part. It will only show it happening on their screen and not be replicated to every other player that plays the game. Like if you just imagine that there's going to be another player here, another player here, and then there's another player here, they're going to see that the part is still yellow, even though you stepped on it and the color is now red, but only you see the part being red, not anybody else. So that's pretty much that. So that's pretty much the basics of local scripts and the server client model. I will be going more into detail about local scripts when we tackle tools that require the starter pack, and also GUIs when I start my GUI tutorial series and things like that. But this episode served as an introduction to local scripts and the server and client-sided models.
Nice. Okay. Menang lagi deh Banyu. Banyu sama Bumi sampai 6:30 ya. Nanti Kak Cika ingetin. Sekarang kita lanjutin dulu. Wih, Bumi udah banyak aja nih. Udah berapa rig dia?
Nope.
Bisa ngecek.
Kok import enggak.
Iya udah banyak banget. 12? 12 animation. Awesome.
Diituin aja dulu, tambahin banyak habis itu di save.
Oke. Bikin banyak dulu terus nanti dites sekaligus gitu ya. Oke lah.
Iya, saya udah dapat beberapa konsep untuk ngelakuinnya sih. Jadi paling malah
Oke.
udah
Ya
baru
udah
untuk
aman.
satu shot karakter doang sih.
Oke. Nanti dia berpindah animationnya mau gimana? Ininya apa
Animasinya.
ya? Heeh.
Nanti paling
Mau-
malah di saat mau ngelakuin bagian skill atau apanya gitu, paling nanti malah dikasih kodenya aja gitu.
Nah, benar. Tapi maksud Kak Cika gimana? Mencet gitu ya? Mencet keyboard, misalnya kayak A,
Kalau malah
SDW.
bikin bisa playable di mobile sama itu laptop itu gimana ya?
Ntar dulu. Hah? Playable berarti dipublish? Susah tuh
Enggak,
itu harus jadi
maksudnya kalau
application
malah bisa
masa
dimainin di
Bumi.
mobile juga, Miss.
Kayaknya nggak bisa deh kalau Roblox. Harus di platformnya dia deh. Bisa gitu? Rasanya nggak deh, tar. Kak Cika cek dulu. Bentar ya, siapa
Hmm.
tuh bisa ya.
Oke.
Gen Roblox variable. Oh bisa deh. Tapi beda ya publishnya ya. Tunggu tunggu.
Kenapa, Miss?
Gak tahu nih Kak
Beda.
Cika. Belum pernah nyoba kalau buat mobile. Maksudnya,
Roblox now lets you make games on mobile. We all know Roblox games can make you a ton of Robux. So here's how to do it. I'm so happy Roblox added this. Firstly, press more, press on create. Everyone will have a default game on their profile.
oh di
It's just some
settingnya.
random preset place. So type this on the search bar. Studio Light. You can literally make a Roblox game from here. I decided to make this.
Tapi beda
Once
berarti
you're
pakai
done,
Studio
press
Light.
publish. Roblox now lets you make games on mobile. We all know
Kalau buat
Roblox.
mobile berarti bikin lagi gitu pun.
Hmm.
Oh, nggak sama sama Roblox Studio. Apa di setting developmentnya sih? Tunggu ya, Kak Cika cek dulu. Bumi.
Oke.
Kayaknya beda loh. Kalau mobile beda, desktop beda loh. Apa apa ya app-nya?
On Roblox Mobile. It's no secret that Roblox games can make you a ton of Robux. So there was one problem. This could be names all out to be bad. So you might be thinking the create button right here. Once you do actually press the create button, there's no real way to actually make the game. Like you just say stuff like this, like view all your experiences. And if you did try to make one, obviously you can't do anything. Yeah, there's literally nothing you can do. You can look at that one game that you do earn now.
Bentar, Kak
Everybody
Cika
does
chat
actually
GPT
earn
deh
that
gimana
game.
sih?
Obviously, it's like a base template game kind of. And
Masa beda deh.
it's kind of like titled like
Oke. Oh, tapi beda berarti kontrolnya Bumi.
Hmm.
Kan beda kan, misalnya main di desktop sama di mobile ya. Jadi setting kamera, setting kontrolnya beda.
Oke.
Oke. Do I have to make two versions if I want to make desktop version and mobile version? How about the animations? Oh, animationnya multiple device, tapi harus dia bisa detect mainnya di desktop, tablet, atau di mobile phone. Animationnya sama aja, bisa Bumi,
Bisa.
bisa.
Oke.
Coba ya. Give me examples of
Yo,
robots
masih
game.
lama nggak? Oh, Miss, berapa menit lagi, Miss?
5 menit lagi, gimana?
5
Mau
menit
lanjut?
lagi.
Oh,
Enggak, tadi ditanyain Mama.
like on desktop. 5 menit lagi, bentar ya Kak Cika. Ini dulu ya, baca dulu nih. Plus mobile, plus controller, using the same animations. Oh, okay. Show me the scripts. Show me simple scripts. Bisa Bumi. Oke. Tapi berarti kita harus tes di semua device. Jadi kayak nanti dia nanya nih, kamu mainnya di mana? Di desktop, apa di mobile, apa di controller gitu misalnya. Ya nanti si gamenya udah kita prepare, dia interaksinya gimana, mau pakai apa gitu. Tapi no worry
Hmm.
sih. Jadi animationnya bisa dipakai, codingnya tetap sama, tapi kita harus prepare sama detect dia pakai device apa. Karena controllingnya beda. Jadi nanti ditanya misalnya, kamu pakai mau desktop version, mobile version, or eh misalnya controller version gitu. Aman Bumi bisa. Animationnya nggak usah dibuat ulang lah, emang bisa dipakai cross device. Cuman yang Kak Cika pengen tahu bentar. Jadi mau gimana ya aku ya? Taruh dulu. Oke. Oh, okay. So the mobile to play the mobile version, just the player just go to Roblox and choose the game. Oh, Roblox akan automatically. Oke. Mm-mm. Join the same gameplays, run the same scripts, play the same animation. Iya, udah otomatis di Roblox mah across device, don't worry.
Oke.
Kecuali kontrolnya mungkin ada yang agak beda ya. Kalau misalnya pakai controller kan pencetannya lebih banyak gitu. Kalau di mobile juga berarti kan touch screen. Kalau di desktop berarti kan keyboard gitu aja sih. Ini kita kita itu lagi, detailing lagi. Aduh ini udah salto-salto
Hmm.
animasinya. Banyu dia mau bikin apa? Banyu mau bikin obi nyebrang-nyebrang batu. Apa gimana nih? 2 menit lagi, guys. Ih,
Oke.
baterainya Banyu tinggal 30%. Awas, masih bagi ya. Kak Cika kita harus. Ih, ini apa Banyu? Ini apa Slenderman? Oh, tiba-tiba serem gini sih gamenya nyanyinya. Pasti spawning ya? Spawning sesuatu something horrible. Ih, Slenderman or some kind of I don't know. Iya. Ih, serem banget takut. Oke, time's up. 18.30. Beres kita. Save dulu sayangku. Apalagi Bumi nih. Animation save dulu. Banyu juga save. Oh, jangan sampai hilang. Nanti
Mhm.
jika nangis.
Hmm.
Ya, berarti bisa mobile nice. Yang kecil juga udah di save. Kita cek dulu ini. Hmm. Udah ngirim link ke Banyu. Kalau Banyu mau lihat ada itu playlist scripting, kayaknya seru deh. Kalau mau nambah-nambahin ide.
Oke, dikit
Oke.
lagi.
Yuk, nggak apa-apa. Di save dulu. Mana ya? Nah, ini nggak usah nih. Nah, biar nggak berat. Bang. Jika juga nge-save.
Oke, sudah.
Udah aman? Oke. Makasih Bumi Banyu. See you
Yuk,
next week.
Terima kasih, Miss.
Thank you so much.
kasih
Makasih
Miss.
ya. Dadah. Assalamualaikum.
Yuk, Waalaikumsalam.
Iya, dadah.
Yuk.